The DIY above ground irrigation solution that you've been looking for is right here. Meet the Auto irrigation system. Auto is not only easy to use, but you can add various liquids into the unit to spray out onto your lawn. The unit is solar powered and your liquids go right inside of this little compartment. We're just going to put the unit on the ground, and the setup to do that was super easy. I even let the kids help me. You do have other mounting options. It easily snaps into and out of the base. For your water source, you simply connect your hose. Within the app, you're going to set up each zone in your lawn, and this part was really easy and fun. The app makes this whole setup very easy. You have precise instructions to follow, and you have nothing to worry about when setting up multiple zones. Within this particular zone, there were a few things that I wanted to avoid: the deck, the trash can, and the grill. And as it progresses around, I also wanted to avoid getting the shed wet. Although I could have included the flower bed in this zone, I decided I wanted to make it its own separate zone, so here I'm avoiding the flower bed. I can't wait to use the bug repellent solution. The app uses your barcode scan to coordinate each color with the solution within the app. Right now, it's spraying out the bug repellent. The unit is really easy to pop off of that base, so if you're expecting bad weather, I would go ahead and take it off and store it in the garage. I personally was pretty impressed with this unit. It was super easy to set up. I love the solar power feature of it, and I also love the fact that you can put liquids in it for different things, for fertilizer, just to freshen up your backyard, or to stop those freaking bugs. So if you're in the market for a DIY above ground irrigation solution, you might want to check this one out.